work as a real estate agent, and leads are the most crucial part of my business. In this business, one thing that I couldn't afford to miss was my leads. So here to store a backup of all my leads, I wanted to store all my real estate leads in my Google Sheets. But doing it all manually was very difficult task. So now I have automated the entire process by connecting my 99 acres account with my Google Sheets, so that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through my 99 acres account, instantly that lead is added in my Google Sheet, that too without any manual effort. So now in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can build this automation for your own real estate business by simply connecting your 99 acres account with your Google Sheets using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And now if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automations, then you can use my special discount code to get a special discount on your purchase. I've already purchased Pabbly's lifetime deal to automate my business automations, that too for lifetime. Because currently Pabbly is offering the lifetime deal at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, we're going to click on this create workflow button. Then here it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. Beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says import real estate leads into Google Sheets automatically. And for the folder, we are going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select it as per your requirement. And to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to the dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you all know that I am receiving new leads through 99 acres. So I'm going to select my trigger as 99 acres and my app event as new leads. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my 99 acres account with Pabbly Connect. So here you can see it says to automate lead capture, copy the above webhook URL and configure it in your 99 acres account. Reach out to your account manager from 99 acres account. Your integration will be activated by the 99 acres team within a week's time. Once they activate the subscription, you will start receiving the lead information in your webhook response below. So basically, you need to copy the webhook URL and you need to send it to your 99 acres accounts backend team, because they are going to set up the webhook for you. Once they are going to set up the webhook, then automatically you're going to receive all your lead details inside Pabbly Connect. For now, I'm going to copy the webhook URL and I'm going to send it to my backend team to receive a dummy response over here. So let's wait for some seconds. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the property type, name, email, contact number and the city of our lead. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead, then automatically and instantly I want to add this lead as a new row in my Google Sheets. So for that, we are going to add an action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets. And for the app event, we are going to select it as add new row, and then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. And then here it is asking us to select the spreadsheet. So here I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name New Real Estate Leads. So we're going to select the same spreadsheet from the drop down. And after selecting the spreadsheet, we are going to select the sheet as sheet 1. And then here you can see it is asking us to add the name, email, phone number, property type, and the city. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So now instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead through a 99 acres account, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, we are going to map the name. Here for the email address, we are going to map the email address. Here we are going to map the phone number. Here we're going to map the type of property, and lastly we're going to map the city. After entering all the required details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added the lead details in our Google Sheets. So let's go and check it. And here you can see we have received a new detail in our Google Sheet with all the lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected a trigger as 99 acres account and our action as Google Sheets. So that when you're going to receive a new lead through a 99 acres account, then automatically and instantly that lead will be added as a new row in our Google Sheets. Alright, so these were the steps to how to import real estate leads into Google Sheets automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code to get an amazing discount on your purchase. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.